Told him I was gonna be some. That broke shit made me sick, big appetite with a weak stomach. And I hit Rodeo just to get stylish, ran through 300. Just happy I did it, nigga, nobody ever gave me none.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be checking out BigWalkDog, I'm a Dog Freestyle official music video. If you don't check the original video, it'll be down in the description down below. If y'all check out what did I just say? If y'all don't check the original video, it'll be down in the description down below. If you want to like, comment, or subscribe, it is much appreciated. If not, it's so cool though. We'll get right to it, man. BigWalkDog, I'm a Dog. The director. Oh shit, he's sampling. What is it? I'm a dog, Whose song is that? I think it's Gucci's. Yeah, that's the old Gucci though. Yeah. I think it is. I might be tripping. I'm a dog. That chain is fire too. The dog with his tongue out with 1017. That's tough. That's tough as fuck. BigWalkDog. Dog, I'm a dog, yeah. Omar, the director. Damn, nigga, hurry up. Not this fun. Dog, I'm a dog. He said can't drive with me, you gotta walk? What did he say? He said can't ride with me, you gotta walk. They know Big Walk, the biggest dog. Oh, okay, hold on. Yeah, Arthur Gay starts spazzing. So I'm the type of dog that start biting instead of barking. Yeah. He said I got pimping in my blood. Mojo like Austin. What the fuck? No, that's tough. Oh, he said I ain't no artist. I'm a street nigga who's trapping life recorded. What the fuck? Yeah. Yeah. I can't lie, bro. This beat is so fucking nasty. This is just a grimy ass beat. I can't lie. Damn. He said I hit the interstate and throw some bitches out the car. It's kind of fucked up, my nigga. Bitches out the car. Yeah. He said, hold on. He said, Sip Waukesha in this Porsche 911. It's a horseman. It's a. Yeah. He said human nature, you can't force. He said, this is just the way I am. Y'all niggas be acting. Y'all niggas be forcing this shit. Nah, that's just how this nigga is. Force it. Yeah. Whipped a baby, no abortion. Yo, this nigga is spazzing right now. Holy shit, we only halfway in this bitch. Alright, now I'm gonna stop pausing him. I'm lying. Abortion. Dog, I'm a 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 mom. Biggest dog. I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a. The biggest dog. Yeah. Damn. He said play with Waldo, you get found out in some random ass country. Basically, you not they gonna fucking move your ass to a different country and kill you. That's different. That's a different type of nigga. Not lie. In Biloxi? I don't know what that is. He said call UPS. We send him through the luggage. Holy shit. Yeah. Dog, I'm a 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 dog, I treat her like a dog, I'm a dog. Nah, that's just tough. Big 101 yeah. Yeah, that shit icy as fuck, I can't lie. Nah, yeah. Damn. Nah, that shit was tough, I cannot lie. But that was a BigWalkDog, I'm a Dog official, or freestyle. If y'all check the original video, be down in the description down below. If you want to like, comment, or subscribe, it is much appreciated. If not though, it is all cool, and I'll see you on the next video, man. Let me know what else I should react to. Peace.